You're not lazy. Your brain is just under attack. If you can't focus anymore, if studying feels painful, if your mind jumps every 10 seconds, it's not your fault. Your brain wasn't built for this. Reason number 1, dopamine overload. Every scroll, every notification, every short video, they destroy your ability to focus. Your brain gets used to easy dopamine, so real work feels boring and hard. Fix. Delete or limit one app that steals your attention the most. Even 7 days will change everything. Reason number 2, you never rest your brain. You think rest is scrolling. It's not. That's more stimulation. Your brain needs silence to reset. No clear target. Study is too vague. Your brain hates vague tasks. Fix. Before starting, say, I will finish 10 pages, or I will solve 5 problems. Clarity creates focus. Focus isn't talent, it's a skill. And once you control it, everything in your life levels up. Follow for more.